Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, then you can buy this right now because there is an offer on Amazon.in where you can see that Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE is priced at 37,999 rupees, but you will get discounts from HDFC card, and if you want to buy from EMI, in that case the effective price will be 32,249 rupees, and with one time payment the price will be 34,000 rupees. So this is a great offer, I think, but if you can wait for another sale, you will definitely get more discounts on this tablet. To be honest, Tab S10 FE is a very good tablet. The display quality is excellent and it has a portability. So you will have a great time if you buy this tablet. Actually, the best price of this tablet is around 28,000 to 30,000 rupees. But if you need a tablet urgently from Samsung brand, in that case, you can buy this right now. Though the processor of this tablet is not so powerful as iPads, yet day-to-day tasks will be smooth enough on this tablet, so you don't have to worry about multitasking or any other light activities. Plus, with the use of S Pen, you can do a lot of productive tasks on this tablet like writing, taking screenshots, making projects, and many other activities. So if you are a student, in that case you will have a very good experience using this tablet. If you buy the Wi-Fi variant, in that case also you can expand the storage via micro SD card. Now in the conclusion, it might be asked by you whether you should buy this tablet right now or not. Look, if you have urgency, in that case by spending extra 2000 you can grab the deal right now. But if you have no urgency, in that case you can wait for better offers. Maybe in the next sale you can get discounts on this tablet, and if you get to buy this tablet at 28 to 29,000 rupees, that would be the value for money price point for this tablet. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet right now or not. If you have any other question, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.